PDP and Atiku's fresh plot to malign Supreme Court justices ahead of presidential election appeal hearings. Ahead of the hearings of the Supreme Court on the 2019 presidential election petition, the All Progressive Congress, APC, alert Nigerians on a new and sinister plot by the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and its presidential candidate, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, to malign Supreme Court justices using foreign media organizations. Among the columnists that have been contracted to make spurious and false publications include Bruce Fein, an American lawyer who served in the Ronald Reagan administration, who has written several articles in several notable newspapers, especially foreign newspapers. We can tell you authoritatively that Bruce Fein has been paid to churn out series of articles, false allegations, especially targeted at intimidating the Supreme Court, the justices of the Supreme Court, and the judiciary. Since 2015, Bruce Fein has written several articles, all critical of the President Muhammadu Buhari administration. In 2019, his firm, Fein and Delval, entered into an agreement with the PDP and its presidential candidate, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, to lobby the government of the United States not to recognize the winner of the 2019 presidential election, President Muhammadu Buhari, until the election petition is determined by the Supreme Court. Of course, that plan failed woefully. The fresh plot by the opposition PDP, after being comprehensively defeated by the APC and rejected by Nigerians in the 2019 presidential election, is to cause confusion, anarchy, with a view to making this country ungovernable. It is to be noted that PDP has made up its mind to pursue a destructive agenda against Nigeria for the next 4 years. This is no longer opposition politics. It is an unpatriotic agenda by people who do not mean well for their country. It is important to continue to alert Nigerians to the devious plan by the PDP. The judiciary is an important institution, and its integrity cannot be subjected to political machinations. It is the responsibility of every truly patriotic Nigerian to rise against the PDP to ensure they do not succeed in undermining our corporate existence. The judgment of the 2019 presidential election petition tribunal dismissed in its entirety the petition filed by the PDP and its presidential candidate. We are confident of the Supreme Court's determination not to be intimidated, and we are confident of the case before the Supreme Court that PDP will finally be nailed and APC will become or confirmed victorious at the end of the hearing. We are also very confident that the Supreme Court will not succumb to the PDP's subterfuge. We must continue as Nigerians who mean well for our country to resist the unrelenting efforts being made by PDP and their minions, such as the Coalition of United Political Parties, CUPP, and few social media worms, spreading and promoting false and destructive news in the social media in their attempt to truncate our movement towards greatness. As part of the PDP and Atiku's post-election delusions, and scheming. The so-called coalition of united political parties has the devious mandate to intimidate and blackmail important state institutions, such as INEC, the judiciary, and the security agencies. This is the mandate they have from the PDP. APC's victory at the presidential polls and the election tribunal represent our collective desire as a people to remain focused on the progressive growth and development of our country's economy, fight against corruption, and improving the security. We shall not relent in the pursuit of this noble agenda. Thank you for listening.